Hey, hey guys, I'm here. We're gonna install the chin mount onto the helmet for the GoPro. It's an Axe Power chin mount. So I'm gonna get the stuff out of the bag here. We'll set it all up and we'll see what's in the bag, and then I'll show you guys how I'm going to install it on the helmet and set up the monologue setup. I'm gonna do it a little different, so we'll get to that and see how it goes. All right, let's go ahead and look and see what's in the bag here, shall we? The Axe Power accessories bag. That's what it says on the side. After shell service, so I'll take a look at that. The chin mount, it's got a bunch of the adhesive pads here, a few different adhesive pad pieces. It also has a tether to put onto the helmet so that the camera's tethered on there in case something happens with the mount. Another piece of the mount. Some more of the pads and pieces to connect to it, and some more pads, you know, and another one of the thumb screws for the thing. So what I will do is go ahead and read the instructions here, and we shall see how this installs on the the helmet here. So yeah, there's a thing for a $5 credit or thing. So doesn't look like there's any instructions, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop this apart, unless it's got some on the back. No, it doesn't have any on the back here. Oh, there is the nut. There is the nut for it. So let's get my helmet out. Let's get these pieces out and kind of I'll figure it out, and then pop this back on when we figure out a plan. So that's what I've got going on so far. Alright guys, so I had to figure out which one of these pieces would give me the most contact and wear. So I found out this piece, if I put it right there, will mount to my helmet. So I'm going to put the one right there, and we'll get the adhesive pad and do that on the screen for you. So I know I'm not going to edit this super pro like, by the way. So if you're expecting a super pro like job editing, that's not going to be me. But I am going to try and figure out which one of these, there we go, I get the right one for the job. I'm going to go ahead and put this on here, and then we're going to put it onto the helmet, and hopefully once we have it out there on the helmet, the GoPro will stick to it. So I just go ahead and put this on here like so. It's actually kind of cool having this little camera. I'll be honest with you guys, this little GoPro, it's kind of cool having it. Makes things a little bit easier. So there it is on there. I'm going to go ahead and get this cleared off and get this other stuff up here, get the helmet up here so we can stick it on the helmet and see what it looks like. So pop it right up here. So the other thing that came with was a little the little wrench and stuff for it. So I just took the that extra the thumb screw and extra nut in there for it. So I'm gonna put it right here on the helmet, and that's where I'm gonna go ahead and stick it. So I kind of figured that that's where I wanted it. So we're gonna stick it right here, and it has a few different, they have different curves on the different mounting flanges, the little piece that it clips into. It took me a second to figure out the little system where it clips and locks in there, but once I figured it out, it's not that big a deal. So I'm going to go ahead and stick it right here where I found it had the best contact area. And I'm going to really push it in here for a little while, really make sure that it bonds really well. I mean, it may not be a big deal to a lot of you guys, but you know, this camera's a little bit to me, so we'll see there. Oh yeah, that's only pretty good. And then the camera is gonna sit right about there, so we'll figure out if that's all right place for it to sit. If not, we'll figure out something else. We'll remount it. So let me go ahead and pop the camera on there. We'll see where it sits when I look through it from the inside. Alright guys, I discovered no, it's not going to work there. So now I'm going to have to get it off of here, and you guys can come along on that adventure with me. Yeah. I'm not going to reuse that, by the way. I'm going to have to come down here with it. Man, I'm gonna have to come around. Oh, of course. See, like I dropped you guys. You know, that's my fault for getting lazy. And I'm probably gonna leave that in, not because I'm lazy, but because it's silly. But I didn't put the thumb screw all the way in. Trying to get away with not doing that. So now I'm gonna have to play with this a little bit more. What do you? Oh my goodness! Do you see this? Do you see this, guys? Dropping you everywhere. So what I may have to do is get one of these other ones out of here. I did not account for the upward part, I should say, of that swing arm being there. Or not the swing arm, but I should say the I did not account for oh, it'll fit right here though. That one will fit right there. No. But this one right here, that one will fit like right here. Yeah, like right here, that'll fit. So if we can go up right there, then that'll keep me down out of the eyesight of the helmet. Yeah, if I have it like right here. Yeah. It'll keep it down out of the eyesight of the helmet. Unless I went with a top mount, but then let's see. Yeah, I don't know about a top mount. We're gonna go, I think we're gonna go over here on the side, because I don't think I really have any other choice but right about here. Take a look, yeah. So anywhere right in here, if I put it there, I'm working through this with you guys live here on the camera. If I put it there, let's get this one out of here. That one. No, I think this one's a little bit better. Yeah, that one conforms to it a little bit better. So we're figuring that out. Figuring it out with me right here, live and in action. More than honestly, I'll probably speed this up, but we'll see. So set you down, pick you up, and what I want to see now is how far up here we can go. So I still want to try to get a frontward facing shot right there, and that'll still be low enough. Yep, that's where we want to go. So let's go ahead and pull this off. And I'm going to attach it as far up as we can. And push 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 and push. So what I'm going to do is, see how strong it is on there. I think we're on there pretty good. I don't think I'm gonna get a perfect fit on this helmet, but as long as it will hold the GoPro, I think I'm good with that. I think I'm perfectly good with that. And the GoPro will sit right there on top of that. So there we are. There is the setup for the GoPro. Yeah. And then the red here is where the camera goes into there. So we'll unhook it, and I'll go take a shot in the mirror and see what you guys think. So I can use the app, and then I want you guys to see, boom, we're mounted. Look at that. Now you guys get to kind of roam around with me, and we'll be able to go on the scooter when we get one. So I just wanted to show you guys that. There you go. Let us.